Hello, this is Urban Sweetheart Teresa, and finally I'm back with another wig review. Actually, I have two units that I was able to pick up, and here we go. I was about to take this one out, but I said no, let me do the picture with it still in the box. All right, the name of this unit is Sepia Lace Front Wig, Heat Friendly Fiber. It's a center part natural baby hair LF Maxi in the color TT1B 27F. I seen another YouTuber do this review and I said I had to get this wig. So I grabbed it on the only website I could find it. And I think she said she got hers at a beauty supply store. It was kind of pricey because it was primarily a Caucasian website, and I've come to find that their wigs are more pricier than the sites I normally go to. Can't remember the website right now, but I'll put it in the description box. All right, let's get started. We have baby hairs in the front. Long, very long baby hairs. We have somewhat soft lace. I don't think it's ear to ear. This is the cap construction. Two combs in the front, the center part, comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This is what she's looking like, dark rooted. Not all the way around, as you can see, and the 27 on the ends. All right, I'm gonna cut the lace and put powder in the part and be back. Okay, like I said, I put some powder in the part. Matter of fact, it's some eyeshadow. I just put some eyeshadow in the part. And let's try her on. Big head friendly. Definitely have to cut the baby hairs. Like I said, the lace goes to about right here. Right here, that's it. It doesn't go all the way to the ears. I feel no clip at the ends either. Oh, look at this color. I would fluff this if I was going to wear it out today. I would fluff it up, make it big, like boom. I would fluff this joint. I really would. Ooh, it's long, very long. Parting is good. If you wore a lighter wig cap, of course I have on a black one. It would, it's a good feeling. I don't feel the tracks coming through, but it's not too thick, like woof type hair. Let me see. Oh, I like it. Keep looking at myself. I like it. I have heroin on my lips. Yes, I knew I had to get this one. I'm so thankful. I'm gonna leave the link. I don't know if I can do the link, but I'll leave the name of the YouTuber that did the review on the wig. It's slipping my mind right now, but I thank you. I thank you. Thank you. Thank you for reviewing that unit because it's beautiful, and I'm glad I was able to get it. Like I said, these baby hairs have got to be glued down. Well, you know, gots to be glued. Got to be, but I'm not gonna do it now because I'm not wearing this one today. But I'm gonna try to. These baby hairs go pretty far down too. So I'm just gonna lay them to the side. You get the gist of how you're supposed to fix them up. Put all the hair to the front. Whew, soft. Doesn't feel like it's tangly. finger comb through it real fast. Got one strand. All right, let's get the length. What's long? Long, long, long. Beautiful. See me? It's moving. Ooh. Yes. And I'm so happy because I got another one. So I'm going to change this one out and come back with the other color. I'm not telling you. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back with the second unit. Again, this is the one I'm reviewing, the sepia lace front, center part, LF Maxi, and this one is in the color TT1B Burgundy. Yeah, TT1B Burgundy. I'm so used to all these different colors, Burg / 350 / 99J, but no, it's just TT1B Burgundy. And this is the color. Ooh, look at that burgundy. It's not red. It's burgundy. It's burgundy. Ooh. So we have the two combs in the front, the baby hairs, center part, cap construction, one comb in the back, and adjustable straps. And after I did the first one, this is big head friendly. Of course, the dark rooting doesn't go all the way around. It stops at the top, a little bit in the front. It goes all the way. No, it doesn't go all the way ear to ear. The lace doesn't go ear to ear. It goes about right here. All right, I'm going to try this one on real fast. Put the adjustable straps on very loosely. And here we go. Ooh, look at that burgundy. Oh my gosh. Ooh. It's not red. It's a deep, deep, rich, like you just got your hair colored at the beauty salon burgundy. It's not red. It's beautiful, rich, bright burgundy. Oh my goodness. Look at this color. Of course, you can do something with the baby hairs. Cut them. Thin them. Glue them down, whatever you're going to do. Right now I'm just moving them to the side. I put some, what do you call it, eyeshadow in the part. And if you wonder what eyeshadow I'm using, it's from the ColourPop. What palette is this? The Cute AF palette. And I use this one right here. Put it in the part, yep. Oh, look at this color. Look at this color. Don't look at my little naps. Wow, yeah. You can get this down. Boom. Secure it. It'd be great. Or pull out some of your edges. Because like I said, this is my edge. But I would try to cover that and pin it. Or a little bit of gots to be glue. Oh my gosh. I keep looking at the color. It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Pardon is deep all the way. Yeah, shit. I mean, shoot. It's to the top of my head, right here. Boom. You see that? Right there. Boom. That's good pardon. Oh my gosh, the color. I got to go back. How much did I pay for these units? Let's see if I can see real fast. Stock card, please be in here. Please be in here. Please be in here. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Not stock card. Price. And the website I got it is In Vogue Inc. I'm gonna show you the name. If Vogue ink up at the top. INVOGUE ink. It's a Santa Ana, California-based company. They ship very quickly. I think I got it within a week. And daggone it, I had a coupon. Family and friends, $25 off 100. I think these wigs were like, I'll put it in the description box. I think it was the high 40s or low 50s. So I got 25% off. I think I paid like 70 or 65, something like that for both of these units, which to me is a good daggone deal. But I think they were like $50-something. I'm not exactly sure. I'll put it in the box below. But oh my gosh, this color. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. This is Diva hair. Yeah, this is Diva hair. This is Diva hair. This is Diva hair. I think I'm going to have to change my lip if I try to wear this. This calls for like a black cherry. Black cherry lip. Oh my goodness. Alright. This is the side. And now I don't know how to measure length. But it comes to boobs. And I got big old boobs. So it comes down to them. Let's see. This is the back. Comes to lower part of my back. Ooh. It's layered, as you can see, shorter in the front, longer in the back. You could cut it to make it fuller, or use something to get it up if you wanted it bigger. Or you probably could put a little mousse if you wanted to smooth it down. Your choice. Woo! I love this hair. I love the TT1B/27. I like that one. I love this one. I love this one, the TT1B Burgundy. I don't know why I keep saying Burgundy. I love this one. This is beautiful. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.